You've got Geti installed, now let's open a new project. There are several ways to start a new project. Let's create one from an existing project. If this is an old project of yours or a project someone shared with you, just upload the zip file. It takes some time to get it, but then you get the project as you just left it. It contains all previously trained model versions, the data and annotations, and you can just take it from here. Use a model, re-annotate, whatever you want to take it and do with the project. If you'd like to export the project, it is as easy as this. Choose to export, save it to a file. Second option is to create a project from a dataset. Basically, you can drop the full dataset right here. As an example of a dataset, you can navigate to this page in the Geti documentation, link below. I took the example of needle segmentation dataset, download and upload here. Give it a name, pick up the right task. It already knows the labels and the project is here. Again, you can open it and take it from here. Now, don't worry about the various formats. As long as your dataset is one of these formats, Datumaro, COCO, YOLO, and so on, you're all set. These are just different ways to describe the dataset and the annotation. In Geti, we recommend to use Datumaro as that's Geti's native data management library. It is open source on GitHub, and in Datumaro format, the video files of your data will be preserved during dataset import-export, which can be very useful. This, for example, is how COCO looks like. You can see that this JSON file is hardly human-readable. The image section will hold all the images in the dataset. Let's just pick a random one. This is the name, and this is the image annotation section, and the categories or the labels. This is our image. You can see a bunch of pixels that define the segmentation contour, and the category is 70. If you look it up in the categories section, you can see that label 70 is a toilet. Yes, I could have found a better, nicer image. And you can see here the annotation of the toilet. Pretty simple. And here is the last way. Just open a new project, create a project, give it a name, choose the computer vision task of choice, depending on the problem statement and use case that you would like to address, create the labels, and you're all set. Get your data in. 3 ways to start a new project. Next video, which computer vision task to choose. See you there.